if I told you just $10 a day could make you a millionaire? And no, this isn't clickbait. It's math. Today, I'm going to reveal the most powerful wealth-building secret in the world of investing, the S&P 500. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to retire rich. If you've ever felt like investing is complicated or only for the rich, I'm here to prove that wrong. The S&P 500 is the simplest, most reliable way to grow wealth over time, recommended even by Warren Buffett himself. So grab a coffee, stick around for the next few minutes, and let's break down why the S&P 500 can make you a millionaire step by step. Step 1. What is the S&P 500? Let's start with the basics. The S&P 500 is short for the Standard & Poor's 500 Index. It's basically a list of 500 of the biggest companies in the US. Think Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Coca-Cola, and even McDonald's. Imagine this. Instead of betting on one company, you spread your money across 500 giants. That's like owning a tiny piece of almost the entire U.S. economy. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned an average of about 10% per year over the last 50 years. Yes, there are ups and downs, but long-term, it's a money-making machine. Step 2. Why it matters and how it creates millionaires. Okay, so why does this matter to you? Here's the secret. Consistency plus time equals wealth. If you invested just $10 a day in an S&P 500 index fund and earned an average 10% return per year, in 30 years, you'd have over $660,000. If you did $20 a day, that's $1.3 million, all from doing nothing but staying consistent. Don't believe me? Let's do the math. $300 a month invested at 10% over 30 years equals $660,000. Double that contribution and you hit millionaire status. Step 3, how to invest in the S&P 500. So how do you actually invest in it? Super easy. You don't buy the index itself. You buy an index fund or an ETF that tracks it. Some of the most popular ones are VU, SPY, and IVV. You can buy these through any brokerage, Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, even apps like M1 Finance. And here's the best part. There are no crazy fees. Most S&P 500 funds charge an expense ratio of about 0.03%. That's pennies compared to actively managed funds.
Step 4. Common mistakes to avoid.
Now, a quick warning. Don't mess this up. Here are the top mistakes beginners make. Trying to time the market. Spoiler, you can't. Even pros fail at this. Just invest consistently and let time do the work. Investing money you need soon. The S&P 500 is for the long term. Think 10, 20, 30 years, not 6 months. Freaking out during crashes. Yes, the market will drop sometimes like in 2008 or 2020, but historically, it always comes back stronger. Step 5, final thoughts and motivation. So here's the big takeaway. The S&P 500 isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-quick plan. It's simple, proven, and backed by decades of data. If you start today and stay consistent, you're setting yourself up for financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment. How much are you starting with today? $10? $100? Let me know below. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on how to invest in the S&P 500 from scratch, check out the video linked right here.